Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to hide photos in MacBook Air in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys is if you have some photos on your photos software or on your MacBook that you wanted to hide and you don't want anybody to see that photos of yours and you wanted to keep it privately, you can actually hide it by doing these steps. Okay, so the first step is, of course, we need to open our photos application or software. Okay, you just have to click this one, guys, if you have here on your dock, and of course you can also um search it on your applications. Okay, let's just open it. So as you can see on my screen, okay, let's get started. Okay, I have some photos here, and of course I wanted to hide it from in my MacBook. So let's say that okay, this photo of mine, of course, I wanted to hide this one. So in order to do that, guys, you just have to right click on that, and as you can see here, we have here a lot of options. You just have to select the hide one photo. Okay, you just have to confirm it. Okay, hide. Okay, now you're not able to see it here because you've successfully hide it, and you can actually show it on your you know hidden photos. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.